This is the story of a forgotten people. In the crowded cities of Bangladesh, hidden behind narrow lanes and crumbling buildings, live hundreds of thousands of Urdu-speaking Biharis, a community trapped in history for more than 5 decades. After the War of 1971 and the creation of Bangladesh, these people were labeled stranded Pakistanis. Many of them were forced into refugee camps where they remain to this day. For years, families have lived in overcrowded settlements, in tiny rooms, often no larger than 8 by 10 feet. Entire families share these single spaces, cooking, sleeping, and raising children within the same walls. The lanes are so narrow that sunlight barely reaches the ground. Water points and toilets are shared by dozens of families. Electric wires hang dangerously overhead. Poverty, illness, and unemployment are everyday realities. For many families here, life has been a continuous struggle for dignity. In recent years, the government of Bangladesh has granted many Biharis national identity cards, recognizing them as citizens. On paper, they now belong to the country where they were born. But recognition alone has not ended their hardship. In many camps, living conditions remain extremely harsh. Basic facilities are limited, opportunities are scarce, and thousands of families continue to survive in environments that challenge the very idea of human dignity. During its visit to several Bihari camps across Bangladesh, Jasarat Digital witnessed scenes that are difficult to describe. Tight corridors where children grow up without space to play. Small rooms where multiple generations live together. Elderly men and women who have spent their entire lives waiting for a better future that never arrived. What we saw was not just poverty, it was a humanitarian tragedy. A reality where human lives continue quietly in the shadows of history. Today, a third generation of Biharis is growing up in these same camps. Young people who dream of education, employment, and dignity, yet they remain surrounded by the same walls that confined their grandparents. And the question remains, will the third generation of Biharis also spend their lives in these camps, quietly enduring hardship? Or will the world finally pay attention? Will someone step forward to extend a hand and help them move toward a better future? The images you have just seen are only a few grains from a much larger story. Soon, Jasarat Digital will present a full documentary in Urdu, revealing the deeper realities of the Bihari camps and the lives lived within them. But one question still echoes through these narrow streets. Will the Biharis ever find a life of dignity and respect? And if that day does come, how will it come? Will the world finally look their way? Will someone step forward to help change their destiny? And can we, in our own small way, play a part? Can the new generation be freed from the pain and hardship their elders have endured for decades? Or will these narrow lanes remain silent witnesses to a community that has already spent more than half a century waiting for justice and dignity?